Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Telcom, guys. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can transfer large files online using Google Drive. You can also use OneDrive if you're using Microsoft, but if you're using Google like me, best to go with Google Drive. So let's get started. So from here, go to folder upload, new folder right here. Click on new and then new folder. And then let's name it to transferring large files or whatever file name you want to put there. Then click on this. Now we want to transfer some large files. So I have here some videos that I want to transfer. These are large videos, over 2 minutes each. So they already exclude the 25 MB limit of Gmail or even in Outlook. So from here now, you can transfer it by using two simple ways. The first method, the traditional method, if you'd like to call it, is here. Send it to a recipient, type in a recipient name, click on share. Here on general access, click on restricted and then click anyone with link. And then from there, click on either commenter if you want them to just comment, viewer if you just want them to view, or editor if you want them to edit. Take note, however, if you're not familiar with this, giving them editing privileges means they can also download the file. And then just click on copy, share, copy link, paste it, and send it. And that's it. That's how you can send a large file to a recipient. Now, another way to do this is by going back to share. And then here on the search bar right here, you can add people here. That way, you can add them directly and they will know that they are given privileges to access this folder. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more tips and tricks only here on Talk Help Guy.